H.B. Fuller is one of the world's largest pure-play adhesive companies, shaping industry advancements through material science for over a century. In India, H.B. Fuller operates through an integrated manufacturing facility and corporate office in Pune. This 27,000 square meter site brings together our global adhesive expertise with the scale and strength of India's manufacturing ecosystem. Commissioned in 2012, the facility was built to support efficient, scalable manufacturing.
Our manufacturing unit is built to deliver consistency at a scale with advanced production lines and annual capacity of 22,000 tons, ensuring precision, traceability, quality across all applications.
Manufacturing operations are aligned with globally recognized quality and environmental frameworks, certified under EDANA QAP, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and CDEX standards, underscoring a strong commitment to quality, safety, and environmental responsibility.
Our India supply chain has been built for reliability, supported by an advanced warehouse system with 6,000 pallet positions, ensuring accuracy, FIFO compliance, and efficient execution.
Innovation at H.B. Fuller is driven by a state-of-the-art R&D laboratory and a dedicated technical team in India, working in close collaboration with global technology networks to continuously strengthen capability and accelerate innovation.
Working with our global partners, the India R&D team delivers high-performance, market-ready adhesive solutions. India Technology Center and R&D Lab accelerates innovation to meet regional market needs.
H.B. Fuller Adhesive Solutions are an integral part of nearly every kind of finished goods in the market, from diapers and packaging to beverage labeling, medical applications, and much more.
India is a key strategic important market for H.B. Fuller worldwide. India plays a critical role in our EMEA growth strategy, driven by long-term partnerships and scalable solutions.
H.B. Fuller, connecting what matters.